What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Before I get into all of that good stuff, the reviews, etc., I'd like to quickly request everyone to please like, comment, share, subscribe, and let's get the views up, subscribers up, followers up. Check out the social media, Twitter, Insta, all that good stuff. Let's get all the you know numbers up. Let's get the views up, people, man. Let's hit loads of views. Come on, people, share these to your family group chats, to your friends group chats, on your social media. Let's create a community. But yeah, let's just get into this one. Red box that doesn't say Nike on it, on the top. So this specific trainer sneaker I absolutely hated. Not a few years ago, let's say a good 9 years ago, when they first came back and everyone was buying them. That was when the triple blacks were getting resold for stupid prices, or should I say crazy prices, silly prices. Yeah, I remember that. And then like 6 months after that, they released about 10 times the triple blacks, and then I was able to get them from Foot Locker on sale for £60. So yeah, I was never one to ever pay resale or join the hype when people join the hype. I've never had them in all white because I think they might get dirty quite quick. But let's take a gamble, man. I have had all navy blue and I've had all black, so triple black and triple navy, let's just say. But let's get into this pair. And can I just say, I love this box. This box is amazing, man. Proper retro box. Nike Air, plain Nike Air on that side with the silver lines on the bottom as always. Got the Nike swoosh, trademarks, etc. And let's have a look at this sticker. So it says Nike Air Huarache. It says white pure platinum. When they say white pure platinum on any sneaker, I just say triple white because I'm not interested in pure platinum. I don't really care. So that's a UK 11, men's 12. So US 12, centimeters 30, BR 44, and Euro 46. So this is a size up to my previous size, and I believe sizing you should go a size up. I went a size up. They feel a bit spacious, so I think maybe half a size up would have done it for me, because my foot is a bit weird due to different sizing. So I wear 9.5, and I wear 10. These are 11. Probably 10.5 would have been okay, but I'm happy with the fit of these on 11. Quite comfortable, quite loose, quite roomy. And Nike, if you want to, please make these boxes for all the trainers. I don't mind. Lift that. So it's got Huarache tissue paper. So it says limited edition. And then it says Air Huarache Nike International Limited Edition Air Huarache. Very nice, beautiful box if I have to say myself. Then it's also got a little message that says Nike sports shoes are manufactured to the exact specifications of champion athletes throughout the world. Then French, I don't believe that, to be honest. They're not the exact, they're definitely a bit different to champion athletes. Look at those, they are so clean. I don't even want to wear them like outside. What's funny is I've actually tried them on indoors, and I've actually done the on foot video previously, so yeah, these have been on foot. But yeah, still clean on the bottom, of course. All white with a little pure platinum silvery logo. You can't say they're pure platinum with just one little bit, man. That's what annoys me about Nike. White / off-white type of midsole. The way it always is for Huaraches. Then on the back, Air, that's etched into the actual midsole. Then it's got the rubber back strap, the famous strap. I remember there was issues with this snapping. This one looks quite sturdy, if I'm honest. I do kind of like this rubber bit, so the translucent see-through with the Nike. Then again, it looks like they've upgraded these. And you know what's funny about these? Nike low-key tried to bring these back and no one cared, because everyone's trying to buy Jordans. Boring. And Dunks, even more boring. Come on, people, man. But it's good, because you let people like me buy these for £60 on sale, and I can't complain at that price. It's got a bit of leather. It's not really tumbled. It does have a bit of a texture, and it's a smooth type leather. I don't know if it's similar to the Air Force One. Could be similar to the Air Force One leather. Toe box, of course, leather. Then it's got just one thing I didn't like. If this material, the sock liner, sock type material, the neoprene, this should have been like leather or something, because this is definitely gonna crease up and look nasty. So when you step, it's gonna do that. I don't like that. Neoprene again, so the whole sock liner neoprene. Well, I hope it's neoprene, because I don't want to get that wrong. And the Air Huarache by Nike, and the Huarache logo, little squiggle on that. So that's in the platinum. So they can't be pure platinum. These are definitely triple white. To me, these are triple white. I don't care what anyone says. And inside, it's got a little Nike logo with the globe. So the same logo that's on here. So the Nike International logo. Then, as always, you got the good old size tag, US 12, UK 11, Euro 46, centimeters 30, and BR 44. Then it's got DD 1068102, which, if you check on the box, DD 108 or 1068102, that matches. So that's just one way of telling that they are the correct box and sneaker. So they are what they say on the box, and also the legitimateness, they're real. They're not fake people. So all in all, do I recommend these? I wouldn't be able to actually make a recommendation. I want to remain kind of impartial. Personally, I love them. Summertime, yes. Lightweight, comfortable, easy to slip on, slip off. Definitely a good trainer in a rotation. Retail, I don't want to pay. Under retail, I have paid £60, so that's a bargain, let's say, especially for these. I just hope that this stays strong and doesn't mess up. I will waterproof it, so I will spray a waterproof spray. I don't want to endorse any brands, to be honest, so I won't say no names. I'll just spray a bunch of that on there, and then yeah, it will be all waterproof and hopefully stain proof, dust proof, whatever proof. But yeah, tell me if you like these, tell me if you have a pair, tell me if you want more colors. I definitely have a few colors that I like in these that I want to release soon. Nike did try bring these back and nobody cared, so I don't know if they're gonna be successful in bringing it back. A lot of pairs have gone on sale already. I will try to buy some more just for review sake, and also I do like a couple colorways. So there's all white with a bit of red, so on the sock liner, and underneath it's all red, and those are really nice and clean. Also triple black, because I've had them before and I beat them into pieces. Very comfortable summer shoe. It's got little holes, your feet don't get sweaty, and they're comfortable if you want to wear all day. So if you've got errands to run or whatever, even if you want to do sports in them. For the gym myself, nope. Air Max 95 will always be my gym sneaker, to be honest. So I've got a triple white pair and a triple black pair for the gym. But these are very good, very comfortable. And yeah, that's all I really got to say about them. I don't want to praise them too much. I want everyone to make the decision. Rating out of 10, I'd give them an 8. If they change this to a leather, that would be a 10 for me. But yeah, that's all from me for today. Please make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. And as always, there will be an on-foot video to follow. I've actually recorded that one already. So make sure you just wait a few seconds, you enjoy that. I'll also post it separately. Make sure you share it to your friends. And make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. And most importantly, take care, people.